Are you tired of being skinny? You look in the mirror and no size. No definition. No presence. You try eating more. You try working out. But nothing changes. And slowly you start believing maybe you just have a bad genetics. But here is the truth. You are not skinny because of genetics. You are skinny because you don't have a system. Today, I am giving you the complete blueprint to transform your body naturally. No steroids. No fake supplements. Just science, discipline, and strategy. Muscle growth is simple biology. Your body only builds muscle when you eat more than you burn. You challenge your muscles, you recover properly. If one of these is missing, you stay skinny. Most skinny guys undereat, train randomly, don't track progress, quit too early. Muscle is built by consistency, not motivation. Step 1. Calorie surplus. You must eat 500 calories above maintenance. If you weigh 150 pounds, maintenance 2,200 calories. Muscle gain target 2,500 2,700 calories. If weight does not increase after 2 weeks, increase calories again. Scale never lies. Step 2. Protein target 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. 150 pounds person 105 150 g protein daily. Best muscle foods: eggs, chicken, rice, oats, peanut butter, whole milk, potatoes. Simple, cheap, effective. Step 3. Eat frequently 5 meals per day. If appetite is low, drink your calories. Example: shake, milk plus peanut butter plus banana plus oats plus whey. Easy 600 800 calories. No food equals no muscle. Forget fancy Instagram workouts. Focus on compound movements: squats, deadlifts, bench press, pull-ups, overhead press. These exercises build size, strength, hormonal response. Day 1 chest plus triceps, day 2 back plus biceps, day 3 rest, day 4 legs, day 5 shoulders. Weekend rest or light cardio. Train each muscle 2x per week if possible. Every week, add 2.5 pounds or add 1 2 reps. If you lift the same weight for months, your body has no reason to grow. Track every workout. Strength increase equals muscle increase. Muscle does not grow in the gym. It grows when you rest. Sleep, 7-9 hours minimum. Hydration, 3-4 liters water daily. Avoid excess cardio, party lifestyle, late night gaming. Stress increases cortisol. Cortisol reduces muscle growth. Protect your recovery. Month 1. Strength increases, slight weight gain. Month 3. Visible muscle fullness. Month 6. People notice changes. Month 12. Completely different physique. This is a 6-12 month journey. Not 30 days. Dirty bulking, junk food, skipping leg day, changing workout every week, not tracking calories, comparing yourself to influencers. Stay in your lane. Focus on progress. You have 2 choices. Stay skinny for another year. Or start building today. Your body is a project. Your discipline builds it. Comment a blueprint if you are serious. And remember, consistency beats genetics.